Hi guys, you might remember I did a bracket for my GoPro camera to go on here, which is attached to the roof of my shed. It was that way, so it looks straight up vertically at the sky. And I've actually found that doesn't give us a very good field of view. Even though the GoPro has a very wide angle lens, when you're looking straight up, it's quite limited. So this is version 2, which is at a 45-degree angle. So we'll see how that's done. It just slides on there. I printed that this morning and then put it straight out on time-lapse mode, but it only runs for a couple of hours anyway, so we don't get very much on there. If I use my older action cameras, they run for about 8 hours before they run out. Well, in fact, what I do is I plug them into there, which is a 12-volt supply from a car battery that's in my shed. That's the lead up there that plugs into there and then goes down there to the camera. And yeah, runs all day then, but not the GoPro. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.